Welcome to JC's Matriculation School Talavadi Social Class. Today I go to explain Geography lesson number 2, Climate and Natural Vegetations of India. We drink more water during summer and do not drink the same amount of water during winter. Why do we wear cotton or lighter cloths during summer season and heavy woolen cloths during cold weather season in North India? Why do we wear woolen cloths in South India? This is because of the prevalence of varying weather condition between North and South India. In the previous chapter, you have learnt about the landform and drainage of our country, which deal with the natural environment. In this chapter, you will learn about the climate rainfall distributions, natural vegetations, and wildlife of our country. Do you know? Equable climate is also called as a British climate, which is neither too hot or too cold. Now the factors affecting the climate. Climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, distance from the sea, monsoon wind, relief features and jet streams. Now the first point of factors affecting the climate is latitude. Latitudinally, India lies between 8.4 degree north and 37.6 degree north longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal halves. The area located to the south of Tropic of Cancer experience high temperature and no so cold season throughout the years, whereas the areas to the north of this parallel enjoys subtropical climate. Here, summer temperature may be rise above 40 degrees centigrade and it is close to freezing point during winter. The next point, altitude of factors affecting the climate. When the latitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees centigrade for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called normal lapse rate. Hence, places in the mountains are cooler than the place on the plains. That's why the places located at higher altitude, even in South India, have cool climate. You are near Ooty and several other hill stations of South India and of the Himalayan ranges like Mussoorie, Simla, etc. are much cooler than the places located on the Great Plains. The next point of factors affecting the climate, distance from the sea. Distance from the sea does not cause only temperature and pressure variations but also affects the amount of rainfall. A large area of India, especially the peninsular region, is not very far from the sea, and this entire area has a clear maritime influence on climate. This part of the country does not have a very clearly marked winter and the temperature is equable almost throughout the years. Areas of central and north India experience much seasonal variation in temperature due to the absence of influence of sea. Here, summer are not and winter are cold. The annual temperature at Kochi does not exceed 30 degrees centigrade and its location is on the coast while it is as high as 40 degrees centigrade in Delhi. Since it is located in the interior part. Air near the coast has more moisture and greater potential to produce precipitation. Due to this fact, the amount of rainfall at Kolkata, located near the coast, is 119 centimeter and decreased to just 24 centimeter at the beginner, which is located in the interior part. The next is factors affecting the climate is monsoon wind. The most dominant factors which affects the climate of India is the monsoon winds. These are seasonal reversal winds and India remains in influence of these winds from a considerable part of the year. Through the sun's rays are vertical over the central part of India during the mid-June. The summer seasons ends in India by the end of May. Next, it is because the onset of southwest monsoon brings down the temperature of the entire India and causes moderate to heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Similarly, the climate of southeast India is also influenced by northeast monsoons. Do you know? Weather refers to the state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. Climate is the accumulation of daily and seasonal weather events of a given location over a period of 30-35 years. The next point of factors affecting the climate, relief. Relief of India has a great bearing of major elements of climate such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, direction of winds and the amount of rainfall. The Himalaya acts as a barrier to the freezing cold wind blows from Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. As such, the North India experience tropical climate even during winter. During southwest monsoon, areas on the western slope of the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall. On the contrary, vast area of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lie in rain shadow or leeward side of the Western Ghats, receive very little rainfall. During this season, Mangaluru, located on the coast, gets the rainfall of about 280 centimeter, where the Bengaluru, located on the leeward side, receive only about 50 centimeter rainfall.